How do you add an attachment to an email in your Android? So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the Gmail application in your mobile device. Now tap on Compose from this interface. Now type in the account or the Gmail account that you would like to send your mail to. After that, you have to type in the subject. Now, to add an attachment, at the top of this interface, there is an attach icon. If you tap on that, from this drop-down box, you can either attach a file or insert from Drive or insert photo. So tap on Attach File. After that, select a file that you would like to send. And once you have selected that file, you can simply send by tapping in the send icon from the top right corner. And that's how you add an attachment to your email in your Android device. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.